What's up, guys? Obviously it's a new day, got a different shirt on. Somehow I forgot to film all the engine install yesterday and the transmission install, but we're gonna install another transmission, so you're gonna be able to see that. This engine's not staying in here, so it's gonna come in and out a couple of times. And yeah, today we're gonna pull out the 5-speed because I measured for the drive shaft, and then we're gonna pop in the 6-speed, see if it fits in the old body style Ford, because I think that'd be more fun, better application. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, there's the engine transmission combo in here. And basically what I did, as far as I can tell, I'm supposed to measure from this point right here to the center line of the U-joint, so just where the bolts bolt in, I guess. And then to get it made, so yeah, this has like probably a 10-inch like slip, maybe 8, like slip shaft, I guess, that just kind of goes in here and moves back and forth. I still need to measure the front shaft, although I guess that's not quite as important as the rear shaft because that's how I'm going to drive it. So yeah, to install it, I went through this hole right here. I just took the engine hoist, wrapped a strap around this thing, and then I just lifted it right through the truck. So Ford knew what they were doing in the 90s, I guess, putting a little removable panel there, making my life easier 20 some odd years later. So that's nice of them. But yeah, so we're going to install the 6-speed and see how that fits in here. Or if it fits. I don't know if there's enough clearance up here for it to even work properly, but I guess we'll find out. A little trial and error. So yeah, you can see the difference for sure. That's the ZF 6-speed. That's our ZF 5-speed. It's quite a bit longer. I think that's it's huge. So, and I guess there's no real benefit to putting that in there versus the 5-speed. I've heard the 6-speeds are much more reliable. that's really about it. I mean, you have a lower gear and low, bigger spread in gears in this one. So I guess low gear and four-wheel drive would be better in this one off-road. But yeah, I'm just going to see if this fits in there, and then I'll know, and I can decide. I can measure this drive shaft with the transfer case on it, and then I can decide which one I want to go with. Well, there she is. That's the 6-speed, all popped up in here. You can see that there's a little bulge right here where the transmission's pushing against the body, but I think we can cut that and maybe lift it and weld it. This guy fits on there pretty nicely. It's not even, yeah, you can see how much it bulged up. It's not too bad, but I might be able to like cut this, come back to here maybe, just to accommodate the, so it's not bulged out too much. That shouldn't have any problems with the carpet or anything, because it's already high here, it's a little higher here, so it's like just bridge the two. Four-wheel drive comes out right where it needs to be, so that would be four-wheel low, two-wheel drive. This guy's right where it needs to be, so it looks like almost like it was made for it, even though it wasn't built for like 7 more years after this. The cross member kind of works down here. This one doesn't have any bolts in it. This one's all dead, so there's gonna have to be 2 bolts drilled a little further back, like here and here. But that's not bad. Other than that, it fits pretty darn well, honestly. I'm gonna put in the transfer case next, right here, so we'll see if it hits this or what it's doing. I think it'll fit. We'll see though. shorter. Well guys, that's really all I have for this video. I'm going to give these measurements to my local driveline shop and see what they can do about making me a drive shaft for this truck. Really all we did with putting this engine and transfer case in this time was to measure for my drive shaft. So this engine's going to come back out. I may use another engine. This one needs some work to it. It's dirty inside. I don't want to run dirty oil in the new engine. So still yet to see what we do on that, whether I rebuild it or use another engine. Yeah, sorry again about it taking so long to get these videos out. Let me know what I could do better in the next video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're interested in and what you liked about the video, what you like about the build. Yeah, drop a like, leave a comment. See you next time.